Fake fingerprints. First up, we have fake fingerprints, a breakthrough from Michigan State University's Biometrics Research Group led by Professor Jane. These artificial fingerprints can trick scanners and even help the police access a deceased man's smartphone. The team crafted 10 artificial fingers with Professor Jane's fingerprints to assist law enforcement in accessing the deceased's phone, demonstrating the potential of this technology. The key to their success lies in a thin metal layer that allows electrical circuits to close when pressing the scanner, just like with a real finger. This innovative approach highlights the evolving landscape of biometrics and its implications for security and privacy. Although useful in law enforcement, these fake fingerprints may also raise ethical and privacy concerns if misused. Stinger. Next on our list is the Stinger, perfect for high-speed chases. This clever device blocks both laser and radio frequencies while also providing GPS support to locate police radars. For around $3,200, this 2-in-1 model is an excellent investment for those who need to navigate discreetly and avoid detection on the road. The Stinger's built-in GPS and updated database of stationary police radars provide an edge during missions requiring stealth and speed. Plus, the device's voice prompts and touchscreen make it user-friendly and efficient. Just remember to use the Stinger responsibly, as it can also be used for purposes beyond mere evasion. SOUNDCAM. For sound surveillance, we present the SOUNDCAM, the world's first widely available acoustic camera. Equipped with 64 microphones, it captures sounds from 33 to 120 decibels and pinpoints the source on screen. A single charge lasts 2.5 hours, and the sensitivity is so precise it can pick up the sound of a paperclip hitting a table. This user-friendly device offers real-time acoustic visualization on its screen, making it easier to pinpoint sound sources and track them. For a spy or sound enthusiast, the SOUNDCAM provides unparalleled audio surveillance capabilities. With its high sensitivity, it can even detect subtle changes in the environment, making it a versatile tool for various scenarios. SPYTEC GPS GL300 Tracker. Next, the SPYTEC GPS GL300 Tracker lets you track and catch criminals in real time. With coverage in 185 countries and a 13-day battery life, it updates data every minute. Activate the subscription for around $35 a month and start your covert ops. This versatile GPS tracker can be discreetly attached to various objects, including vehicles and personal items. Its durability and global coverage make it a valuable tool for tracking and recovering stolen property. As you use the tracker, remember to respect the privacy of others and comply with legal requirements. Mission Darkness EMF Blackout Hat. For safety against electromagnetic radiation, there's the Mission Darkness EMF Blackout Hat, priced at $80. It shields you from cell towers, smart meters, and other sources of radiation, a stylish and protective accessory for any agent. The hat is made from high-quality RF shielding fabric, protecting you from various forms of electromagnetic radiation. It's a fashionable alternative to traditional protective headwear and can be paired with other Mission Darkness products for comprehensive protection. RELV ECLIPSE. Stay hidden with RELV ECLIPSE, a product that helps agents camouflage against optics, thermal imaging, and night vision. At $450, this second-gen product is available only to US citizens, so make sure you have the right documentation. A RELV ECLIPSE offers an innovative approach to stealth with specialized materials and designs that effectively minimize visibility under different types of surveillance. This gear ensures you remain undetected and secure, making it an invaluable asset for covert operations. B&T VP9 Pistol. Now for some firepower, the B&T VP9 pistol. Known for its silence, it produces only 31 decibels of sound and can fire 20 shots before its performance dips. With a 9x19mm cartridge capacity, it's perfect for quiet missions. The VP9 pistol is a state-of-the-art silence weapon that combines precision and discretion. Its low noise level makes it ideal for stealth missions where keeping a low profile is essential. While this weapon can be an excellent tool for self-defense and covert operations, make sure to follow local laws and regulations when using it. Wrist-mounted arrow launcher. Next, the wrist-mounted arrow launcher is a concealed weapon perfect for tricky situations. With a standard 12-gram CO2 cartridge, it offers precision shooting and can be assembled DIY style. This gadget combines the old-fashioned charm of archery with modern engineering to create a covert weapon that can be worn on the wrist. While it might sound like something straight out of a spy movie, its practicality and potential for close-range combat make it a noteworthy addition to any agent's arsenal. Wi-Fi Pineapple. Stay safe online with Wi-Fi Pineapple. This clever router disguises itself as a hotspot and intercepts data discreetly. Ideal for hacking and traffic analysis, it's a must-have for any modern-day spy. Wi-Fi Pineapple's ability to monitor and analyze network traffic makes it an indispensable tool for cybersecurity professionals and intelligence gatherers. The router can also be used for educational purposes, allowing users to understand how to secure their networks and protect their data. C127 drone. Take to the skies with the C127 drone. For just $64, this drone offers 15 minutes of flight time and saves energy to return safely when low on battery. Capture 720p resolution data and use it to exchange valuable information. The C127 drone's compact design and affordable price make it accessible to enthusiasts and spies alike. Its ability to handle light rain and wind gusts adds to its versatility, allowing you to gather aerial intelligence in various weather conditions. Just be mindful of local drone regulations when flying. Laser Listener. Laser Listener is a must-have for gathering intel. Aim the laser at a target, and it picks up sounds louder than 60 decibels from up to a kilometer away. Whether you prefer purchasing an off-the-shelf version or creating a DIY version, this gadget offers exceptional long-distance listening capabilities. The laser beam reflects off the target and back to the receiver, converting the signal into audio. This allows you to listen in on conversations from a safe distance. While this tool can be crucial for intelligence gathering, it should be used responsibly and with respect for others' privacy and rights. INFIRAY T3. Next on our list is the INFIRAY T3, a thermal night vision camera that brings ninja gadgets into the modern age. With a detection range of 1.3 kilometers and weighing just 40 grams, this camera is highly portable and versatile. Connect the camera to your smartphone via USB Type-C ports and configure it using the free app. Enjoy picture quality of 384 by 288 pixels within a temperature range of 50 to -10 degrees Celsius. Priced at $630, this gadget offers an excellent option for night vision and thermal imaging. Whether you're a wildlife observer, security professional, or just a tech enthusiast, the INFIRAY T3 provides a unique way to explore the world around you after dark. CELLEBRITE Touch. Finally, the CELLEBRITE Touch is a versatile forensic tool for data transfer, resetting settings, and uploading firmware. With its cloud analyzer system, it formats data for courtroom use. Get one on eBay for around $2,700. CELLEBRITE Touch stands out for its comprehensive data management capabilities. Whether you're transferring data from different devices or analyzing it for legal use, this compact tablet is a valuable tool for professionals in various fields. Be sure to follow ethical and legal guidelines when using this powerful gadget. Bug Detector. The Bug Detector DD1207 is a powerful handheld device for detecting cameras and bugs within a 10-meter radius. With 2 antennas and 6 channels, it can run for 15 hours on 2 batteries and is priced around $875, a must-have for any spy toolkit. Its ability to detect multiple types of signals, including CDMA, GSM, 3G, Wi-Fi, and more, makes it essential for checking rooms and other areas for surveillance devices. With a silent mode for discrete detection and pinpointing, the DD1207 ensures your privacy and security in various scenarios. DJI Power 1000 Portable Power Bank. Never run out of power again with the DJI Power 1000 Portable Power Bank. With its high-capacity battery and fast charging capabilities, this power station is your go-to solution for all your charging needs. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or working remotely, the Power 1000 has got you covered.